Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 24th, 2018. My name is Tom Kalinowski. I'm the Director of Technology and Operations here at Colonial IU20. This is Tech Tips episode number 47. In today's episode, we're going to talk about Google Sheets. Oftentimes, a question comes across our help desk regarding Excel. And how do I open up an Excel file if I don't have Excel, if I only have access to Google Sheets? So in today's episode, we're going to cover how you can open that Excel file, how you can convert that Excel file to Google Sheets, how you can configure your Google Drive so it automatically converts your Excel files to Google Sheets or Word to Docs or what have you, and how you can download your Google Sheets files as Excel if you need to have them in Excel for some other reason. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get the Excel file into Google Drive. You can either drag your file directly in here, or you could go ahead and click on New, File Upload, find the file on your computer, and click Open. Alright, next time I'll remember to silence my phone. Alright, let's continue. So we have the Excel file in our Google Drive right now. Let's go ahead and double click that file. And you can see that it's loading. It says Chrome extension. It says Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. And we can now see all of our sample data. We can scroll down through all of it. We can scroll to the right. Do with it what we'd like. We can select any of the items and we can make them bold or underline or do, again, whatever we want to those particular items. You do lose, though, or don't have some features available to you. One of them is automatic saving. You can see here it says that edits will not automatically be saved. For those of you that have been working in the G Suite for Education platform for a while, you know things like Google Sheets and Docs save automatically as you type. That feature is not available when you're working on Excel. So what you want to do if you do open up an Excel file, and again, you'll know that you're in Excel if it says up here Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides, or if you have that big X right here in the top left-hand corner. So let's convert it to a Google Sheets file. Let's click on File, and click on Save as Google Sheets. So right now it says it's saving as Google Sheets, saving a new version of your spreadsheet. All right, and now we have a Google Sheets version of our data. You can see we have a little message here that says, "Hooray, your file converted." And now you'll also see that you have many more menu items that are available and much more access to different controls and formulas and such. And now if we were to click on something and let's just say bold and underline it, you can see it says saving all changes saved. So it does that automatically without you having to do anything. If we go back into our drive, we can see that we have two files in there now. You can see we have an Excel file and a Sheets file. You might not want two files in there, or maybe you do. I guess it's up to you. If you want to keep both the original file and the Sheets version, you're welcome to do so. And you can tell the difference between their icons. Or better yet, I think, you can tell Google Drive to automatically convert those files to Google Sheets upon uploading. So let me show you how to do that. All right, so let's close these two other tabs that we had open. Yes, it's okay to leave. Yes, it's okay. And let's delete these two files. We'll right-click that and then say remove. All right, so we're back to where we started. If you click on the gear and click on Settings, and Settings again, one of the options here says Convert Uploads. Let's place a check mark in there, and that'll convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format, and click on Done. Now what that does is if we click on, let's get rid of this message here. Move my picture out of the way. All right. Now, if you click on New, and then click on File Upload, and let's pick that Excel file again, and click Open. So we'll move this. It says Uploading, Finish Uploading. Now when that file is uploaded, you'll see that that X is no longer there. You'll see that the Google Sheets symbol is there. So what happened when it uploaded that file, it immediately converted it to Google Sheets. Okay, so now when you open that up, it opens up in Google Sheets natively, and you don't need to convert it. So you can, again, change things, change column sizes, do whatever it is that you need to do to your spreadsheet file. If you happen to come across a situation where you need an Excel file, you're able to very easily get that. There's two ways you could do that. One way, you could click on File, and then you can say Email as Attachment. How do I want to email it? A PDF or Excel? Let's say I want to do it to Excel, and we'll type in my own name there. Test. Hit send. And what that does is that simply shoots an email off to the recipient with a Excel file attached. The other way is you could click on File, and you could say Download As, and you could say Download as Microsoft Excel. And that's it. The file's downloaded in Excel format. So those are some quick and easy tips on using Google Sheets and working with Excel files. If you have any questions or suggestions on using Google Sheets or any other topic for that matter, please don't hesitate to put comments in the video below. I'd also suggest that you subscribe to this channel. That way you can be alerted whenever there's new video content or new tech tips ready for you to view. I hope you have a great afternoon. Goodbye.